In the last 30 days, millions searched the same question. Will AI replace jobs? What skills will matter in 2030? Is the education system outdated? They're not just questions, they're warnings. Because the world is changing faster than education. Students are learning, but not always what the future demands. And yet something is shifting, not announced loudly, but adopted quietly by schools thinking ahead. Through initiatives like the Future Proofing Ambassador program by USA Olympiad, where students explore what truly matters, understanding money, navigating digital risks, thinking beyond textbooks. Principals, educators, students, not waiting for change, but becoming it. Why are the most aware schools moving first, while others are still deciding? Search it before everyone else does.